Good
That's
afternoon,
so?
sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sit down, Venkateswaran. You come from Kanyakumari, is that
Yes,
so?
sir.
Wow, fantastic. So, what is the significance of Kanyakumari?
So, Kanyakumari district is the only location where one can see both the sunrise and the sunset at the same point. And second thing, sir, it is the only district in India where there is two seas and one ocean converging. And third one, it is very famous for tourism, such as the Tiruvallur statue and also Vivekananda Mandapam. And another aspect, sir, it is more famous for rare earth minerals.
It is a very culturally and heritage-wise a very important place, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Apart from sunset, sunrise, it's a great place of India's heritage. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. The first.
So, what are the heritage sites in Kanyakumari which are important?
Sir, the first thing is the Tiruvallur statue, because Tiruvallur in Tamil Nadu has been seen as a more secular poet and his verses has been contributed to administration. The second one, the Vivekananda statue memorial in Kanyakumari district, wherein perceived that before his World Religious Conference, the meditation at Kanyakumari gave him enlightenment. And apart from that, we have the other temples such as Chitranjan Fort, which is more famous for the Jain monuments.
Anything else?
And we have the Kanyakumari Amman temple, from which the Kanyakumari district name has been emerged, sir.
Okay. And one of the former president comes from there?
Sir, the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he is from the Rameshwaram, that is from Ramanathapuram district.
Yes,
sir.
he is from Rameshwaram.
Yes.
Not nearby. Okay. Now you have been a civil engineer. Can you tell me some special features of the tunnels which we are constructing in the Himalayas? You remember one of the tunnels, there was some, some of the workers were trapped and they were taken out. So there are two big tunnels which are under construction in that area. What are the special features?
Sir,
Do you know about the construction of tunnels in that area?
Sir, I'm not aware of the present status of any construction of tunnels, but however, earlier tunnels I was aware, sir.
What are the recent, big tunnels which India has constructed as part of infrastructure development in the northern Himalayan region?
Sir, the first one will be the Atal Tunnel, has been considered Himachal Pradesh.
Okay.
So it has been perceived as an engineering marvel, because by turning a large mountain for more than it was around 9 kilometers in length and also 3 meters inside. So it was perceived as a marvel.
Yeah, it is at that height supposed to be the longest tunnel in the world.
Yes, sir.
That altitude.
9 kilometers, sir.
Yeah. Then what else?
And a recent Silkyara Tunnel, because although it is perceived to be an engineering structure to hold the various loose soil deposit, however, the geological surveys deficit made it to the collapse.
Okay. Now, hydrology and water resource engineering, that is your area.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, the water table, particularly in North India, is going down tremendously. What is the root cause? What are the major problems?
Sir, the first one will be the unregulated and unaccounted tapping of groundwater. That's the first reason by industries and also residential. Okay. The second one, that inadequate conservation of a surface water body, that leads to the loss of surface water conservation as a whole. The second one.
Good.
And third one, sir, there has been rising instances of sewage effluents from the industries and also the residential apartments that hamper the groundwater quality of the region. This leads to water stress, sir.
Okay, very good, very good.